All right, some people had some questions about the fifth wheel hookup on the new 2023 Super Duty, running the Super Glide auto sliding hitch with a Grand Design Reflection 324. And people had some questions around clearance to the cab. I didn't adjust the kingpin. I'm gonna say I got at least 8 inches of clearance right now. Here's the back of the bed. I'm gonna say 4 to 5 inches with tailgate down to the back of the trailer. Here's another thing thought you guys would find interesting. See that fluid in there? This is the awesome cable gated design from Grand Design. Good thing I put that on, or that'd be leaking out on the ground or in my face when we get to the campsite. So this is proof that these things are worth getting if you have a Grand Design cable actuated or maybe any brand trailer. But that's some great water. So we're about to get on the road, but some people had some questions about the hitch and the clearance to the bedside and the tailgate down to the back of the trailer.